Now we will see Venn diagram. So operations on sets can be represented with the help of picture and with the help of diagram, that is nothing but Venn diagram. So whatever the operations on set, that is union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, so these operations can be represented by using this Venn diagram. In that, the set can be represented by using circle, and this rectangular box is used to represent the universal set, and if any portion is shaded, right, then this is answer of any statement, right. Then first see the operation like complement. Complement, how we can represent complement of a set. So for that, this is considered as universal set, and in that this circle represent set A. Then complement of A is represented by the portion which is outside the set A. So this portion represent the complement of A. Then another operation, that is consider union operation. So to perform a union operation by using Venn diagram, we have to consider three cases. First one is when A is subset of B. Second one, when neither A is subset of B nor B is subset of A. And third case is A and B are disjoint. So we have to consider these three cases while drawing the Venn diagram. So first, case 1, in that A is subset of B. So in that this is universal set. In that A is a subset of B, means this is our set A and this is our set B, right. So in that case A is subset of B, right. A is subset of B, and A union B is the shaded portion, this one, right. This is the answer for A union B if A is subset of B. Now consider second case when neither A is subset of B nor B is subset of A. In that case, the Venn diagram will be like that. This is our universal set and this is set A, this is set B. So this is set A and this one is B. Then in that case, A is not subset of B and B is not subset of A, right. So in that case, A union B is the portion, this one. In case 2, that is A is not subset of B nor B is subset of A. Now third case, that is this is universal set and this one is set A and this one is set B, right. So A and B are disjoint, means there is no common element in both set. So in that situation, A union B is nothing but this shaded portion, this one and this one. This is A union B. So this is union operation in three cases. Case 1, A is subset of B. Case 2, B, neither A is subset of B nor B is subset of A. Case 3, A and B are disjoint. So next operation is intersection. So first case, A is subset of B. In that case, intersection is this portion. Intersection means common portion. So A intersection B is equal to A, right? In case 2, that is neither A is subset of B nor B is subset of A. In that case, the intersection is this portion, right? And case 3, in case 3, A intersection B, when A and B are disjoint, then A intersection B is empty. A intersection B is empty when A and B are disjoint. So next operation is difference operation. In that case 1, that is A is subset of B. In that case, A difference B is equal to phi, right? That is A subtract B from A and output is whatever the element from set B. So in that case the output is phi, because there is no element left in set A when we subtract B from A. So output is phi, that is null set. In second case, that is A is not subset of B or B is not subset of A. In that case, A minus B, that is A difference B, is nothing but this portion, that is B is subtracted from A, and this shaded portion is the output of A minus B. Then third situation, or third case, in which A and B are disjoint, then A minus B, that is subtract B from A, but there is no common element from A and B, so A will be as it is. When A minus B, then output is A. This is case for A minus B is equal to A if A and B are disjoint. Again same for case 2, that is universal set. This is A, this is B. A, B, then what is B minus A? B minus A means we have to subtract A from B, and output is this shaded portion. This is for B subtracted, A subtracted from B. So these are the operations represented by using Venn diagram. So next one is, it is fourth one, is nothing but symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. So symmetric difference is also represented by using Venn diagram. So consider case 1, that is A is subset of B. This is universal set, this is set A, and this one is set B. Then symmetric difference A, symmetric difference B, when A is subset of B, is nothing but this shaded portion. Right? In symmetric difference, we remove the common element from both set, and whatever the remaining part is, this is answer. Right? So this is symmetric difference A, symmetric difference B, when A is subset of B.